Okay, everyone. So I was just talking about shapes, and I have this thing here available or accessible by UDoodle, and look at their shapes. So, okay, so here is a shape. This will be considered a 2D shape. And then there's the 3D shape, right? So it creates a grid system like this. See, right here is just one. Or let's look at it like this. There's one right here. But if we take it up a notch, one layer up, I don't really know. I don't really know how to do this like correctly. But see, it creates a square, right? So with the same concept in mind, what's happening here is we break this down like this. I'm sorry, not like that. Like this. Like that. And what this is doing, if you put any shape in here, let's go back to shapes. Let's go to a circle. So we put a circle in there, right? So that means that if we have a circle here, the same circle has to be on this other side. So therefore, when we put it together, it forms a circle, a sphere. It's not just a 2D circle, it's a sphere, circle, rounded, you know, with the shade, with the shadow or whatever, so it could look more 3D. So the same is true when we are looking at these geometry things here. And I really don't know if these are like like derived from the crop fields. But here we have the green one. I should have probably painted this one green. But whatever, I can try doing that. Just shit, it's not doing it, but I wanted to do it just for the sake of the video and so we could all be on the same page. So, okay, that's the first layer, right here. And basically all I'm doing is doing something like this. That's all I'm doing. And then on the red one here, on the other side, it will be like over here. So imagine this, and this is where we go 3D. This is where the magic happens. Oh, and I don't know how to like tilt it, but you guys get the concept, right? Because I mean, I could tilt it this way, but I want to angle it or whatever, but I can't. Kind of like this one right here, or like this, looking at it from an angle, and then flat or whatever. But see here, we see circles. We see a lot of circles. And we know that when we look at a 2D circle, it looks like this to us, right? But if we go 3D, it creates shapes. So there's a lot of shapes that can be created out of this. Like even here, like this can be one angle. This can be a different, oh, I can't even draw on it. The image resolution dropped or something. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? Like this in here could be a different layer. As well as this. Right? Oh yeah, and then this side. So this could be like, this here can be for like a bowl or something. The bottom base. Oh, right? The bottom, it's all red. And this here is a different one. This one will be a different one. Kind of like the geometry planters and whatever else is out there. And people are selling this stuff and they sell. So don't take this lightly at all. See, that's another one there. Another one. And basically, this is not just coloring it, it's 3D. And I don't know if you can see that 3D effect. But the bottom red will be... The bottom red is... the bottom of the bowl. The blue is the top of the bowl. The green and yellow, the green and orange is the side of the bowl. And you can decide to, throw some different colors in there. I'm just doing this in different colors right now so you guys can see what I'm doing here. And obviously, there was just way too many for me to get into every single one of them. There's hundreds and thousands of them out there. So have fun, everyone. And believe me, once you figure a few of these out and you come up with some products, your own designs, people will be jealous. Because it's a real solution, a real formula, and once it's all done and said, I mean, people just automatically are captivated by this stuff. So, thank you all for watching.